I'm Shakha and today I have with me the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Lip Color. Now this has some beautiful nudes and some hues of crimson. A lot of times when you look at a lipstick in its packaging, it looks a lot different from when you wear it. So today we are going to swatch these lipsticks for you guys and show you what it looks like. So let's get started. That's it guys, those were all the swatches. So now about these lipsticks, if you are looking to update your nude lipstick collection, then these lipsticks are great for Indian skin tones. However, they do transfer a lot and you need a couple of coats to get the right shade. I hope you guys enjoyed these swatches. For more videos like these, stay tuned to Hauterfly.